and white. You just know I'm back to work. Hi guys, what's up? How have you been? So yes, I'm back to work, as you can see. I hope you can see my laptop. Gosh, I don't want to touch the camera. So I hope you can see my laptop. Oops, someone is coming. Okay, yes, I'm back. So the guy decided to go the other side. So yes, I'm back to work and I'm supposed to go for a meeting. But it's gonna happen like in the next 1 hour. So I'll take you with me when I'm going there. During my holiday, I went to do strategy for 2019. And there are 8 things that I came up with that I need to achieve in the year 2019, even like from now moving forward, because it's like the 2019 I've started already. So yes, so one of the things, there are 2 that I've done so far, and I'll tell you with time what those 2 are. But one of the things in that list of 8 is keeping time, and I'm gonna start right now. So when I'm going for that meeting, I'm going to make sure that at least I'll be my first one and just keep time. So back to work, and I feel hungover right now. I feel like, I don't know if I'm the only one who gets hangovers from holidays, but yes, I feel like I should just be traveling. Every time I come from a holiday, I always feel like I need to do more, like travel more. So yes, I wish I could do that for a living, and I can't wait to be paid just to travel. See you in my meeting that side. Guess what, guys? The meeting was supposed to start at 11, and I'm the only one here. But I'm glad I've kept time. So yes, I'm waiting for the other guys to come. And yeah, I'm back to work and I'm ready. I'm so ready to do this. So what do you do when you get to the boardroom earlier than the rest? So for me, what I do. Now, right now, I know I'm sounding like we used to call them choppies. I sound like a chop student, choppy student. So yeah, so I revise on my notes. So today is Thursday, and when it's Thursday at work, we usually have supper. So I'm going to go and just join the rest on that side. Yep, and yeah, this is such a fun place to work, right? So yeah, I'll take you with me in a few. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6, 8, 7,
Baby girl, dance for me one time. Me no friend you could have talk. Tell the fool that talk. Me no kibao kata. Baby girl, dance for me one time. Me no friend you could have talk. Tell the fool that talk. La 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 la. Wanasema kama mwenzi safari unatupita jeshi unatongea. Ninapo mbali sijui tatafika sababu natembea. Musikia babani, kisifika na kesha mwenea. Akakisha nikaweka muziki wotea. Ila mfakama, katangia pabongo mungu. Kumbe mapenzi yara, nikama tunatia tuchumi. Naoza, nakujitia kitandani mjuzi. Eti nataka kuanza baki, agala mbwa mkafuga muzi.
5. Alright, go down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Check for them.
Hey guys, what's up? Our workout was really, look at Carol. Yes, our workout was amazing. So you guys, if you're not in this company, I just think you're missing out something. But yeah, on Thursdays we usually have Zumba class, which happens from 5:15 to 6:15. It's a 1 hour Zumba, and I love we're able to just like roll our waist, roll it and roll it and roll it up to the floor. You see? Yes. So thanks so much for watching, and it's been real, guys. Bye. Hi guys, how you doing? It's Friday. So yes, when it's Friday, I'm usually very excited, and I'm gonna take you with me like everywhere, like every little thing that I'm gonna do today, I will be taking you with me. So yes, it's when it's Friday, we usually a bit easier at work, so you get to come to work dressed like this. Like you can wear a jacket, you can, you know, I'm like topless. Is it, how do you call this type of dresses? Or it's a dress, by the way. Don't know if you can see. It's a dress. Yes, but I'll show you better later. So I'm just gonna do some work, and then, oh, did I tell you guys that I have a blog? I don't know, I'm not sure. But yes, if I didn't tell you that, please just check out my blog on WordPress. It's called, my name is still Christine Gare. So if you check Christine Gare, you type www.christinegare.wordpress.com, so you're able to read my articles. I usually post once a week. There's something that is coming up today, but you can also read over there. Though my language is still the same. How I write over there is the same way that I speak here. So yes, just feel free to check it out. If you're someone who likes reading, well and good. Like, we'll be friends over there too. When I get out of this desk going anywhere, remember, I'm taking you with me. I'm going to take Carol. It's lunchtime and she's still working. So yeah, so there is Carol. She was supposed to go and play cards, but now she's pretending to be extremely busy over lunch hour. Ah, see? Hey, I don't need you. Heart. Oh, heart nilikuwa nayo. Hatuwezi kwa kadi na kadi mbili. Sisi ni kwa nani zake tu. Uwezi kwa chana kina yeye. Cheza. What do you want? Flower. Because you've seen my card.
No. Na jaribu kufikiria tena hata hizi lapo.
Hello. Anita. Katika. I got from that side really hungry. I was just thinking of how to get here and just warm my food. Yes, let me show you quickly the food. Yeah, so it's meat and some potatoes, and then after that around 4, I love having this. So yeah, let me have lunch as you watch. So I'm listening to a song by Jacob Lee called With You. Can you listen?
I see the water as we fly to Rome. If we have a dawn.
So we are here in town. Okay, these guys are just walking on the road, like, you know. Anyway, so we are here in town with Carol, and we are going to look for something to do. We're going towards Kimathi Street, and yeah, we'll find a place to just sit and think of the week, how the week has been, and the many meetings that we had at work. Yes, now we are here. So this is the place. So it's such a new restaurant. And I think we'll go down. Yes.
As you marry me,
We're gonna sit over here.
I would travel.
Dinner is served. Yay! Chicken biryani. So this is a new restaurant in town. You all need to try it. There is Carol.
For a 3-month-old daughter who's just learned how to love. And time is moving